This is the final video to fix being stuck in the Microsoft Authenticator loop on your new phone. And if you've been trying to sign into your account but keep hitting the same screen, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Microsoft wants extra verification for security. And sometimes the Authenticator app doesn't sync properly with a new device. Most tutorials online are long, confusing, or require multiple steps that waste your time. But on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that works instantly. All you need is to reset the Authenticator connection and use a backup method to approve your sign-in, which bypasses the endless loop safely. This method is fast, secure, and anyone can follow it without getting lost in settings or codes. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what buttons to press and how to get back into your account in seconds, drop a comment below and Rexish will make it happen for you.